Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style cream bun. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 cups of plain flour which I have sifted, some extra flour for dusting, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of lukewarm water, 3/4 cups of lukewarm milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of white sugar or you can use raw sugar, 2 by 7 grams of dry yeast, extra 2 tablespoons of milk for brushing on the rods. And for my cream bun filling, I've got here 300 ml of thickened cream, some raspberry jam or you can use strawberry jam, 1/3 cup icing sugar for sweetening the cream, 1 tablespoon of melted butter for glazing the buns, extra 1/4 cup of icing sugar for dusting. You will also need a cooking spray and a baking tray which I have sprayed with some cooking spray, lined it with baking paper and sprayed it with some cooking spray again. The first thing we need to do is get the dough ready. Take your flour, add salt, sugar and add your yeast away from the salt as the salt will stop the yeast from rising the dough, and mix all the dry ingredients together. Make a well in the center, add water and milk and mix it using a spoon. Use your hand and knead it until it all comes together. Add melted butter 1 tablespoon at a time and knead it until it is all absorbed. Shape the dough into a ball and place it into a lightly oiled dish with the fold side facing down. Cover it with a plastic wrap and then with a tea towel and let it rest on the bench top for 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Punch the dough down, sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top, place the dough on the floured surface and roll it into a log. Divide the log into 12 equal size pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and place it on a greased baking tray. Repeat this process. Loosely cover it with a plastic wrap and then cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for another 30 minutes so that it can rise for the second time. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees if it is a fan-forced oven and 190 degrees if it is a conventional oven. Brush the tops of the buns with some milk and bake it for 25 minutes or until you get a nice golden brown color. Take it out of the oven, brush the tops of the buns with some melted butter and cool them completely. Once the buns have completely cooled down, it is time to whip the cream. Take your cream, add icing sugar and beat it using an electric beater until thick. Transfer it into a piping bag or you can use a spoon to fill your buns. To fill the buns, cut the top of each bun in half without cutting all the way through. Fill it with 2 teaspoons of jam which is optional, followed by whipped cream. Put a dollop of jam on the top and dust it with some icing sugar and put it on a plate. Repeat this process until you have finished filling up all the cream buns. My cream buns are ready and you can serve them to family and friends. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.